In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue refunds on Teachable. If a student needs their money back, whether it's a full refund or just a portion, Teachable makes the process straightforward. We'll walk through the exact flow so you know what to expect and can handle refunds confidently and professionally. Start by heading to your Teachable admin area and navigating to Sales, then Transactions. This page is your central record of purchases, showing each order along with key details like the product, date, amount, and payment method. Locate the purchase you want to address and open it. Clicking into the specific transaction takes you to a detailed view where you can verify you've got the right order before you proceed. Once you're on the transaction details page, scroll down to the Refund section. This is where the refund tools live. If a refund is available for this purchase, you'll see the option clearly presented. This setup helps you take action without hunting through multiple menus. Click the Refund Transaction button to begin. You'll be prompted to enter the refund amount and, if you want, a reason. You can issue a full refund by entering the total you see on the order, or a partial refund by entering a smaller amount. Partial refunds are helpful when you're adjusting for a coupon issue, a pricing difference, or a specific module that didn't meet expectations. While the reason field is optional, adding a brief, clear note is good practice. It helps with internal tracking and makes any future support conversations easier because there's context right next to the record. When you're satisfied with the amount and reason, click Refund Transaction again to confirm. Think of this as your final check. Review the details carefully before you proceed, because once a refund is submitted, it moves forward immediately and can't be reversed from the dashboard. After you confirm, Teachable sends a receipt to the student automatically, so they're notified without any extra work from you. The refund is returned to the original payment method used at checkout. For card payments, that credit typically appears in about 7 to 10 business days, though exact timing can vary by bank or card issuer. You'll see the refund reflected on the transaction record, which helps keep your sales history accurate and complete. That's the full process. Open Sales and Transactions, select the purchase, scroll to the Refund section, click Refund Transaction, enter the amount and optional reason, and confirm. With these steps, you can issue refunds quickly, clearly, and with a professional touch.